Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm trying something kind of new. As y'all know, I have not been able to find Brie cheese. I've been recommended it quite a bit. Well, my wife actually stumbled across some Brie at the store. So I decided, like I do with a lot of you guys, I just go ahead and film myself trying it, and you get to have my impressions of what I think of it. This is it. It's I guess for those of you who know what this stuff looks like and is, it's different to me, but hey, we'll go with it. I'm gonna try a piece normal, just plain, and then I got a cracker here I'm gonna try it on. See what I think. I have let this set out so it'll get just a little room temperature, I guess, is what it's supposed to be. It is pretty soft, so I guess here we go. That's a very weird texture. Very soft, creamy. I was expecting a little more flavor, but not terrible. Not terrible. Try it on a cracker, see how that goes. I'm assuming that it's okay to eat this bit, so do something like that. I know for some of y'all probably think I'm completely, I have never ate this, so I'm not sure. Get to stay there. Not bad. Little plain. Little plain. Get used to that texture. It's kind of soft, and I don't know what else I'd call it. I don't want to say rubbery, but there is something there. But yeah, I was hoping for a little more flavor, but it's what it is. And I finally get to try Brie. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.